Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams is very simple to use. Let's learn how to add people to a call, transfer a call, call history. To add people to a call that was answered on the mobile native dialer, uplift the call to Teams. Then select the More icon, the 3 dots. Select People, then add people or search for contacts in your Teams directory or local device and add them to the call. To transfer a call that was answered on the mobile native dialer, open the Teams mobile app. Uplift the call to Teams and select Transfer. There are 2 ways to transfer a call: Transfer Now or Consult First. Transfer Now will immediately transfer the call without the option to first speak with the associate to whom the call is being transferred. If you prefer to do a warm transfer, select Consult First. Enter the name of the associate to whom you want to transfer the call and text them. Once you get confirmation, select Transfer to transfer the call. After you end the conversation, you can access your call history and voicemails on your mobile phone or in Teams. Please note, when you add Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams to your business-provided Verizon smartphone, your existing voicemails will be removed from the device, and new voicemails will be stored in Teams going forward. Please download any voicemails you would like to save prior to adding Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams to avoid losing any voicemails. We have just shown how easy it is to start using Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams. We are confident that you will find it simple to use.